Gusii Nere United.
Gusii Nere United. Agora korigeria Parlamento ase kisiasa. Kwaro te litukoria igoro osemo isonde moske Fred Okengo Matiang'i baomeranete ase mogobani oyomo na oyomo bo oriokorio bojumbe korwa Nyaribari chache oraso morengo UDA oyo okwanira mono mangana one term kero korigereria chinkwana chiri babwate nabo moske Matiang'i amatebatinga amangana ya kisiasa tari amangana yoko angana pi na amangana yoko otwara ogotabwatana se ebirengererio asamagenderero asobomenyi bw'abantu igaka muburinga mbaba isa kubeka obwamate borobobe bakiri babeka obuya. Now to the question kwa borianga Gusii ine ntoramo Gusii ntoriamo because factions kia jiro jire chinyinge Abagusia bange gotegete kisiasa as a national level babeke umuski Matiang'i na section ya abaraibaria baraso morengo bwe serikali eyo kugamba bona erensi yoborai bwa umuski William Ruto igo bagendrete ko suguma mono koranga bachenjire birangereria Abagusii bande basoe asomora morengo UDA igona rego debanga we are not one as a national politics bona Omugusii Kisii na Nyamira
bono onebenyamaro tetura juga igo leaders mbaro bale SID ya UDA bose bale SID ya 2 term na leaders bande mbaro as SID ya 1 term ya Matiang'i. So yes. Nalo kubolinga abananchi kawaida wantu tikane leaders tababeki kando abananchi kawaida kerogo tara nimetunoli ground sana na kibawa tayaba bale 1 term 2 term usina barabo bale mixed up
abananchi abange angeba hospital tebe 95% yomo Gusii igo bale united behind Matiang'i. In fact 5% ya population ya Kisii na Nyamira you era around 1 point something million votes ekiagara Nyamira bagwa chikura around 200 and something 60 something thousand na Gusii to bwa chikura 647,000 so chikura jina wachira roughly 900 or 1 million votes asichiria chimanyika kila se record ya IBC igo agara 95% of 900,000 is about 800 something thousand votes chiko genda so ke Matiang'i. So that tells you nga Omugusii monge onachire enamba egosomo baro w'Abagusii abange wanachire omoragia nekerengererio ngana barabumba bwate etwani yabo bagocha koiregeti egende umerane chitwani chinde. Yes.
Igwera natse Omugusii nari united behind Dr. King of Fred Matiang'i.
Omugusii igare solidly united behind Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Thank you.
That is the truth.
Go mention your point before that I get to my next question. Go mention your point now. It will have 1.1 million votes, and I think a question your numbers. Yeah, actually all over. Abantu bantu ati 900,000, but kurusiko bantu mbama ite bihabia. Okurige kurwa sote ne nebuna a political analyst. Chikura cha Gusii na komenda Abagusii bale diaspora na kuru kitane chite cyo spin Nairobi. Bihabia ile ngozi trike. Approximately.
Omanya de chikora cha Omugusii in general. And then what having ase omwaka wechi wibere na mewanse nebere. That is 2002. Akero omoske simecha. Arekorigia o rais wa Kenya. Igo number 1 ntua fielded candidates wetere kia magia Ford people alia Makadara constituency. And you see Makadara constituency gebwata baluya bange na bagere ekamanya gaswana bakamba amona intuntoro oise kogenda gochakira Makadara constituency ogende pipeline ogende Bakasi both ogende Bakasi both chi constituency chimono igochire inhabited nabagusi. That is where Omugusi Monge are all the way to Umoja 1 ogende mpaka Asakoro kwa Kayole, Komaroks, a region here igere inhabited mono ne population yabagusi abubatari not less than within those two constituencies we kirabono batari not less than actually 200,000 or 2 to 300,000 votes. Chikure echo na kiokorra in Nairobi bune ekorende ekendo ekorokanga Nairobi County. A population ye chikura jiro is about 4 million votes. Na kia kogera korra unaona Sakaja irete chikura Sifuna irete chikura zaidi ya 600,000 votes. So a population yomogusi ekeroko nyebeka ase Nairobi ogende Mombasa ogende Kisumu ogende Migori ogende across the 47 counties, majorly the Luo Nyanza counties, also parts of Rift Valley, especially Asakoro kwa Eldoret, Kitale, Trans Nzoia County, ogende Narok County as a whole, Kajiado County as a whole, Nairobi County, Mombasa County, those counties, Igo, Ebwate, a population yabagusia bank. So roughly, Ndabega the Chikura Chia diaspora, because they don't add up so much. Chikura Chia Omogusi Choka Chile Kenya can add up to 2 million votes. If well managed, and if people are mobilized to vote, to register as voters, we have over 2 million votes in Omogusi Komogusi.
Okay, Yamana. Oroche kulingana na observation yango no ground. Abantu abatutam babo soro zairi janda na abange babo. But destabilize Matiangusi.
Of course not much. Kinende yera abwate the strategic plan ya Omuske Fred Matiang'i abwate. Number 1 nkwarora okurutera na mangana nkwabaria egati ya Omuske Rigi, the former deputy president, na Omuske Matiang'i, the former CS Interior, Oyore, a hopeful front-runner candidate as a presidency. Nani ko tebanga, akero kuligiri yomo ngusoria, oyonde na chagete ko tebanga wano Fred Matiang'i abwente ko gende ground, agenda sabante vijich, aligichikuro aru boardroom. Matiang'i na bwendete ko pull up a strategic plan yae, erinde anyare go outshine umondo koro kwa all the entire team go say brigade ya UDA. It is very possible mwanye Matiang'i ta kwebanga boronge asegusi naenda arosi a strategic plan, arosi coordinators mapema from every polling center, arosi agent from every polling center, naenda aligi resources chisaine, because the Kenyan politics apel ige etagete chivas chinyinge chigotumeka. That is why Raila Amolo Odinga lost in 2022. Ekiagarta abwadi chivas chisaine chiarenge korenda chi agent ekagara chi agent chikagurwa ose chinde chikarosa chikabanchara chigatige chikura chikoibwa asebitu across the country.